Good morning, Alex. I noticed you've been having some trouble with understanding English when it's spoken by native speakers. How can I assist you today?
Hi, teacher. Yeah, I find it hard to catch everything they say. It's like they speak it too fast.
I understand. It can be challenging, but don't worry. We'll work on improving your listening skills. First tip. Choose content that interests you. What topics do you enjoy?
I like technology and science.
Great. Try finding podcasts or videos on tech and science in English. When you're interested, your brain finds it easier to grasp and remember the information.
Okay, I'll look for those. What's the next tip?
Tip number 2. Mark timestamps when you get confused. If there's a part that's tricky, note the time. This way, we can focus on those specific moments.
Like a highlight?
Exactly. It helps us identify the areas you need to work on. Now, for tip 3. Listen and guess. Replay the confusing parts. Try to understand, and make educated guesses about what they're saying.
So, break it down?
Yes, exactly. Breaking it into smaller parts makes it less overwhelming. Now, let's move to tip 4. Consider context. Listen to the parts before and after the confusing bits. It helps you understand the overall meaning.
Like connecting the dots?
Perfect analogy, Alex. By understanding the context, you fill in the blanks and make sense of the whole conversation. And finally, tip 5. Review and reinforce. Listen to the entire content again. This step solidifies what you've learned, boosting your confidence.
So, it's like a recap?
Absolutely. It's like reinforcing the knowledge. Consistent practice with different content will make a big difference in the long run.
Got it, teacher. I'll give these tips a try. Thanks for breaking it down for me.
You're welcome, Alex. Remember, improvement comes with practice. Keep exploring interesting content. Mark those timestamps, and let's review your progress next time. Anything else you'd like to know?
Nope, I'm good for now. Thanks again.
Anytime, Alex. Happy learning. Oh, before I go, I wanted to mention that I'll be away for a week starting tomorrow. But don't worry, if you face any challenges or have questions, you can reach me through mobile or email. I'll do my best to assist you, even while I'm away. Your progress is important to me. Keep up the great work, and feel free to stay in touch. We'll catch up and continue our learning journey when I return. Take care, Alex.
Got it, teacher. Your guidance means a lot. Enjoy your week off. I'll definitely contact you if I need assistance. Take care, and looking forward to our continued learning.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.